Hey guys.
See something tight?
Hey guys, this is Chainsaw Squirrel 3. And I said in the last episode that this is the last episode, but no, we're gonna do another one.
And if I meet up with Jackson again, we might do another one.
Yeah, we might do more of them.
Okay, this is Chainsaw Squirrel 4, bros. Which character did they?
No, this is Chainsaw Squirrel 3.
Okay, Chainsaw Squirrel 3. Which character do they like best, Jackson?
I think they like Chainsaw Squirrel. He's the main one.
Yeah. This is Chainsaw Squirrel.
Let me check. Oh yeah, they like Chainsaw Squirrel the best.
Yeah. Who's the second best?
Fode.
Yay.
And they said the third best is me, Jackson.
And the fourth best is Sully.
No, nobody's the fourth best.
How about Coco?
He's the fourth best. So he's the fifth best. That means he's last. So they don't like Sullivan. They don't like Sullivan.
Okay, this is the tornado of chainsaw.
Okay, do it.
Come on.
Come on. I didn't even get that. So.
Okay, let's do it.
Where is it? I don't see it. Dude, he landed.
Dude, he landed.
Hold on, let me see it. Sorry, leave it there. Leave it there. Sorry, leave it there. Leave it there. Leave it there.
That's what he did, bro. He landed perfectly.
He landed perfectly, actually.
He landed perfectly.
That's
Landed
Chainsaw
through
Squirrel.
him.
Chainsaw Squirrel. Okay. I got him.
Okay, can you throw him back to me?
That was the worst throw in the world.
I need to get out. Oh, I don't want you to get out.
I'll get it.
I have to get chainsaw.
I'll get it. Gotta run. Got it.
Thanks, Jackson.
Welcome. See? I'm the second best. We know I'm the third best. So.
And I am like the fourth.
No, you're the
best.
fifth best.
Oh, you're fifth best?
Yeah.
I'm the broadcaster. Jackson is the best broadcaster in this film, I think.
I know.
And do you think I'm the best filmer?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's do this. We're going to do the double leg jump. The chainsaw double leg jump. Okay, dudes?
Okay. That was a fail.
Yeah, that was a fail, bro.
So go get it. Go get Chainsaw Squirrel.
Let's leave chainsaw alone for a second. Let's do some basketball.
Wait, what? But this is called Chainsaw Squirrel 3.
Basketball. Yeah, I'm changing the name to Chainsaw Squirrel 3 and basketball.
Okay. Well, no, we're gonna do Chainsaw. No, not Chainsaw 3. Chainsaw Squirrel 3. It's so funny how we call it Chainsaw Squirrel. Chainsaw.
What do you call it? Chainsaw Squirrel.
Chainsaw Squirrel. He's the best squirrel in the world. He's the best chainsaw squirrel in the world too.
Okay, we're gonna
because his
do
name
some
is Chainsaw
basketball,
Squirrel. Okay, you can lose the basketball.
This doesn't even have any bounce, bro.
Miss, go get Chainsaw Squirrel while we play basketball. Go get him. Oh, so close. So get Chainsaw Squirrel. What are you doing?
I'm gonna do a slam dunk, bro.
He's over there, Sully. He's over there. See that yellow thing? He's over there. Yellow line. Yeah.
I have to throw my ball.
Fode, what are you doing?
Let's do this. Let's make a shot at this, bro.
Cheater. Cheater. Oh, Sully got Chainsaw Squirrel. Sully got Chainsaw Squirrel.
Okay, let's make him chillaxing.
Let's make him chillax. He's chillaxing.
He's skydiving. He's indoor skydiving.
No, you gotta throw him. You gotta throw him. Let's try to throw him into the trampoline.
Okay. Again?
Yeah.
Oh, dang it!
There you
There's
go.
Flying Scotsman's out here. Right there.
Yeah, that's why Chainsaw Squirrel was flying. Because the Flying Scotsman gave him powers. Just kidding. Get it? Flying Scotsman.
That was the first train to go 100 miles per hour.
Wait, guys, you gotta throw him. I mean, no, you gotta throw him. Do one more shot in basketball.
I'm gonna use a ball. Instead of this basketball, I'm gonna use this tiny ball.
Okay.
Tiny ball bounce. This one doesn't have any bounce either. broke this.
So I did.
No.
You did that like last year. You made it! Alright, now you gotta throw it. You gotta throw it, Photo.
We want to play football. How about we play football? Okay, let's play football.
Yeah, let's play football.
Football.
No, wait, no, you gotta get Chainsaw Squirrel.
Chainsaw Squirrel, let's do some football, bro. He's over there.
Yeah, he's over there, Photo.
I am a football player.
That face was really funny. Photo, you are crazy, you know that?
Get up back of me.
If you say you're not...
Oh, there you are.
Hey.
Hi.
Playing basketball.
Are your feet cold, Pumpkin Nugget?
Look at this.
Oh, that's a good job.
Look at my.
Got...
Okay, let's do
Wait,
this, bro.
guys, the girl that you just saw is Photo's mom.
Yeah.
They saw
She's
her.
hot.
She's hot. She's hot. She is hot.
Yeah, she is.
No, she's not.
She is.
She's hot.
She's hot. That means she's good looking.
You're crazy. Photo, you are so crazy. Guys, comment down below. Guys, comment down. Wait, guys, comment down below if Photo is crazy.
Hey, did they actually say that?
Yeah, they did.
Can I see?
No, no, we're just pretending they said that.
Wait, so they didn't say anything about those comments?
No, they didn't say anything.
What if they hate our videos?
No, they don't. I have a video that got 1,000 viewers, and actually 2,080 people have seen my channel before, and they liked it. So like,
Okay, let's call this tune in. This is the worst Chainsaw Squirrel episodes.
yeah. No, okay.
What if they don't think I'm handsome? Let's just post it.
Okay, these guys, subscribe, hit the bell notifications, subscribe, hit the bell notifications, like this video, comment down below, blah blah blah. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out, believe about Pluto.
Post it.